welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a video from Reddit. So let's get started, my friends. What I'm going to do, my friends, is go to my subreddit r/LiquidOcelot YT, and there is a video over here. Join our community. So I'll go to the share button and copy this link, my friends. I have copied this link, and now I'll go to a simple website called www.redditsave.com. So I'll just come over here in this box and paste this video, and then click the green download button. So guys, I'm going to show you, they are saying that they have fetched the video. They have fetched the video, my friends, and I have two options with me. One is download high definition video or SD video. So I'm going to go for standard definition video. So I'm going to go for the high definition video. Download it. It's downloading now, my friends. Stay with me, my friends, please stay with me. And I'm going to open it, and I'm going to take my microphone to my speakers so that you can hear the voice.
Hello guys, what's up?
It has the
please
voice. Look, listen.
Join my new community called r/LiquidOcelot YT. Thanks.
This was the video, my friends. You could hear it with sound, and this is how you download our video from Reddit. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell notification bar, and I'll see you again in the future, my friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.